Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on AI chatbot Nova. We click on settings. We click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we will search for this application of Nova. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe.